Hi guys, today's video is gonna be a review of the Slickwraps skin for the Nexus 5. First of all, big thanks for Slickwraps for providing me with one of those skins. So, okay, thanks, and let's start with the review. I will talk about the precision of the cutouts, the material, and I will also try to compare it with the D-Brand skin I also reviewed before. So let's check the cutouts first. As you can see, the cutout of the Nexus, if you know the original one, is in my opinion a bit too thin, because compared to the Nexus 5 of the skin of the D-Brand, it's way thinner, and this made the aligning very hard, because on the D-Brand skin you could see the whole leather beneath it still, and this made the aligning pretty easy. But here it got covered, some of the leathers, and this made the applying pretty hard. And the next thing is this material. It glows in the dark, by the way, but I can't show you this, sorry. But it is kinda elastic and stretchy, and if you go to the edges, and I warmed it up with a blow dryer and try to align it, as you can see it's stretched and it's too big now on the corners, and I couldn't get one corner to align properly because there was too much material. No matter what I did, it just got even worse. On the sides it's good, but I also think they cut it out too wide. They should have, like D-Brand, gone 1 or 2 millimeters away from the edge to make it easier to align it, because now I feel a difference. It is slightly more on this side than on this, but even if not, it's too wide, and I don't feel comfortable because I feel it will go off pretty soon, and it's also pretty thick. As you can see, you see even the white one below. On the D-Brand skin you don't see any glue or something like this. Maybe that's also the material that makes it glow, I don't know. But that's it for the precision. I'm not really happy about the precision and the fit. The next thing is the material. The good thing on the material is, if the Nexus 5 would have such a grip and feel in the hand out of the box and being rugged, it would be awesome, because it feels, this is the perfect feel. This is what I want to have in my hand, feeling the Nexus 5. But as you can see, the problem with this material is it scratches up extremely easy. I only have to go with my fingernail a little bit and you can see every scratch, and they don't go off. I tried it, no way. I have some air bubble, but maybe that's because of me, I didn't apply properly. But as for the material, it feels pretty amazing, but as you can see, it will be scuffed up pretty bad, pretty easy, and pretty fast. If I've got maybe carbon, this wouldn't happen, and I also think the carbon wouldn't be elastic and stretch out this way. So my hopes for carbon are way higher, but since I have this one, I'm not really confident, and I can't really recommend this, and when trying to reapply, even the E got off. So just to quickly compare it with the D-Brand skin. The D-Brand skin cutouts were more precise. It was way easier to apply. I don't know how well, and I'm pretty sure at least the carbon one is pretty awesome durable, but because you can try to scratch it, no way. This is really feels more like a hard shell case from the exterior, but the Slickwraps feels more like a TPU case, something like a silicone case, and it just looks a bit weird off to me. But I don't want to bash it any further, because it's a nice idea but not really handled well, and maybe other materials from Slickwraps are better, but at least this one, sorry, I can't recommend it as much as I would like to. Okay, that's it for my review. If you have any questions, leave me a comment or something else. I will try to even review more. Maybe I get some X gears or something else. So if you like the review, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Also reshare this video, subscribe my channel. Okay, so far, goodbye.